Welcome to the art of custom bookshelf building, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Let's explore design considerations to create a bookshelf that perfectly fits your space and style. Selecting the right wood combinations ensures both structural integrity and visual appeal for your bookshelf. Master frame and panel construction techniques to create a sturdy, long-lasting bookshelf. Learn precise cutting and measuring techniques for flawless results in your bookshelf construction. Watch as we assemble the bookshelf, step by step, from securing the base to attaching the top. Discover clever shelf support methods to prevent sagging and ensure long-lasting stability. Create adjustable shelves for versatility, allowing your bookshelf to adapt to changing needs. Learn various finishing techniques to protect your bookshelf and showcase its natural beauty. Discover proper maintenance techniques to ensure your bookshelf remains beautiful for generations. Learn to manage dust and maintain a clean workspace for efficient and enjoyable woodworking. Understand wood movement and how to account for it in your bookshelf design for long-term stability. By following these steps, you'll create a stunning, personalized bookshelf that's truly a work of art. Ready to start your woodworking journey? Click the link below for more inspiration and resources.